Little Artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing a Canadian MOUNTIE. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start here in the middle of the paper, and the first thing I'm gonna do is the eyes, and we're gonna start with two oval shapes. So they are little, and I'm gonna color them with black. And make sure to leave a big space in the middle, kind of like a finger space in between the two eyes. Now we're gonna do the nose. It's a backwards letter C. And we're gonna put a smile underneath this nose. We're also gonna put some eyebrows on top of the eyes. And the next thing is gonna be the face. So we're gonna do it with an oval shape around these eyes and mouth that we just did. And this is gonna look like a stretched letter U. So I'm starting over the eyes, going underneath the mouth, and going up to the other side. Next, we're gonna do a curved line that goes over this letter U to close it. And I'm gonna go out a little bit and gonna go like that. And we're gonna cross to the other side, and I wanna pass the same length. Now at the end, we're gonna do a curve, little curve that goes to the top. And now let's join these two curves with another line. Now we're gonna do the ears, and it's gonna be two letters C in each side of the head. We're gonna join now this rectangle shape we did on the top with the ears with a curved line. Next, let's finish the hat. So we're gonna leave a space, and following this line of the head, we're gonna continue doing up, and here we're gonna continue going up. Now we're gonna do a little curve going up to the center. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, and we're gonna join them with a curved line that goes up a little and comes back. Okay? Like that. And here we're gonna leave a space, and I'm gonna do another curved line that goes side to side. And on top of this line, we're gonna do another one that looks almost like a letter J. One here and one here. And if you notice, we don't touch the ends of the hat. Now let's finish his hair here, and we're gonna do a line that goes from the ear to the top, from the ear to the top. And you can even put a little bit of hair going underneath the hat, just like this. Now let's build his body, and we're gonna start doing two lines. The first line is going down in a triangle shape, and the same here. Now we're gonna leave a space in between, and we're gonna do 1 and 2 lines. Now here we're gonna do a square shape, and from this square shape I'm gonna do a diagonal line that goes up really close to the corner, and let's do it double. Next here we're gonna do a line that goes cross in the middle, go behind this line, it goes down. Now we're gonna do a V shape. So from this corner I'm going to the line I just did, and from this corner to the line I just did. On the bottom, we're gonna close with 1 and 2 lines, and I'm leaving a space in the middle because here we're gonna go up in a triangle shape and down. Next, we're gonna do the pants, and we're just gonna trace a line that goes down in a diagonal way like this. 1 and another one, 2. And in the middle, we're gonna put one more. And we're gonna close 1 and 2. Now let's do the boots, and we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3 lines on the bottom, and we're gonna join them with a curve. 1 and 2. Now let's finish the arms, and these are gonna go down and down, and we are gonna do a circle here for the hands. So 1 and 2. And just to give a little bit more details, we can put a line here to mark where the gloves that he's wearing. Now let's put some detail on his suit. So we're gonna trace here first a line that go across for a belt. And we're gonna trace pockets here. So we're just gonna put 1, 2 lines. And underneath the lines, we can trace a letter U that is gonna join here with this belt. And another letter U. And to finish this mountie, we're gonna do here 1, 2, and one more here for like batches that he has in his suit. And we can even put 1 and 2 circles for buttons. And there, that's it. We finished this Canadian Mountie. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my Mountie turned out. This is the colors that they usually wear in their uniforms. And if you want, you can put a little bit more details on the background. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more lessons step by step and easy like this one. See you next time.